If you're looking to boost your income without diving into complex financial strategies, swing trading in the Forex market might be the perfect option for you. Swing trading is a trading style that aims to capture short to medium term gains by taking advantage of price swings or fluctuations in the market. The best part, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. Firstly, it's essential to understand the basics of Forex trading. Forex, or foreign exchange, involves trading currencies from different countries. Unlike the stock market, the Forex market operates 24/7, providing ample opportunities for traders to make profits. Now let's talk about swing trading. Unlike day trading, which involves making multiple trades within a single day, swing trading focuses on capturing price movements over a few days to weeks. This approach allows for a more relaxed trading style, making it suitable for individuals with busy schedules. Familiarize yourself with basic Forex terminology, understand how currency pairs work, and grasp the fundamentals of technical analysis. Select a reputable Forex broker that offers user-friendly platforms and tools. Ensure they provide educational resources for beginners. Create a simple and effective trading strategy. This could involve analyzing trends, using technical indicators, and setting risk management rules to protect your investment. Most brokers offer demo accounts that allow you to practice trading with virtual money. This helps you gain confidence and refine your strategy without risking real capital. Begin with a small investment and gradually increase as you gain experience and confidence in your trading abilities. Keep an eye on market trends and news that may impact currency values. Stay informed, but avoid being overwhelmed by excessive information. Aim for achievable monthly goals. Making $2,500 per month may not happen immediately, but with consistent effort, you can work towards that target. Forex trading requires patience. It's crucial not to let emotions dictate your decisions. Stick to your strategy and stay disciplined. Remember, there are risks involved in any form of trading, and there are no guarantees of profits. However, with dedication, a solid strategy, and a cautious approach, you can embark on a journey to earn $2,500 per month through Forex swing trading.